Omunena Kasa, they've told him that on team to us specifically as the coach of Accra Folk next season. But Omuni Nimbiye as to if Omu Jane Kwamanako content chronomer mano severance package and Yamanemano, or they will let him stay on in a different role. Okay. Now, one may be a confusion if you bad. And Opana has a phone on the NCC meeting. My chairman always have some more assurance. Say Abubakar Ouattara will not be the coach of Accra Folk. And now NCC for Richard Mission so team. NCC for Nika Chen say one sheni year them they don't trust in the technical capabilities of Hesse. So then Omun Pese Hesse to be if anything Abubakar Ouattara to be close to the club in terms of any technical side of the job. And almost catch him and say, oh, your original plan was to elevate him of a sort to a sporting director or technical director and then bring in a coach. Now, in all of your preliminary conversations you deal with other coaches now, coaches be free when say other coaches were not comfortable in having a sporting director and as a technical director that they will report to. But as a Masawood, on your align 100% crana or just okay, ABA for now, Papa never down. But with time, they definitely I need a sporting director to do the job.
No, Ouattara no pay, or technical director rule.
Ouattara doesn't want to give a class vocal.
Because initially it is also on technical director.
And I make us say, Ouattara, he doesn't want to leave a class vocal.
Per the old kind, yeah. It means that they say only option of business are
he has to take up a certain rule.
Okay.
Because the truth of the matter is that Rich, per Ouattara's contract. So as the folk age they need to pay him off. And so Butieska, normally Ouattara no ko. And until up to today, there is a meeting that is pending with Accra folk for now. Omukwakushia to finally look at say okay, then you better to see a proper Ouattara because they've not done that. Inti, Odie expect from this morning. Uncle see BBT say Nyame Adoma and Numri and Aso Chanopa. House of Folk will bring a statement.
And open meeting Opare.
What why Opare is saying that is that on your clear if the meeting will come on. If the meeting comes on, they will bring a statement to clarify the future of our Papa and friend Abubakar Ouattara. They are not done. Inti Opare will make the statement look like oh it's a communication strategy, not communication strategy. And the communication strategy. But because at the beginning, a lot of the names are near to from everyone was that has Eddie Maxwell Kunedu normally so quickly let us kill it off. Near my mess, oh, yeah, the Masao didn't know which all of that plan is a has person who has seen him, over here, then what Baby see him. Their plan to put up a statement about recruitment committee in has this general planner. One person who want to go ahead of the curve. Now let me tell you something. Our craft folk. One of the things that they want to do going forward is that imagine in terms of communication and information flow from the club now, they want to own it. So they knew that of course season in there and to players inside your manner. In buying of players, the first thing that we'll do is that okay, and the statement about recruitment. After some recruitment conversation here, then okay, what's the next stage in terms of your coach? You know, that's what they've done. But Omoni Abubakar Ouattara here, and today they are hoping that they can convince Abubakar Ouattara say, "Enka onjintum, nanka amicably he should leave because the supporters are not on his side." Udiri Americani, the supporters in your side there, then jitum nako. Not do the money in Juma. Then if later on you can get a sporting director or technical director, they will do. If push comes to shove, House of Folk for no would have to accept to put Abubakar Ouattara in a role as any sporting director, any technical director, but obey some technical job be on. Oh, be a technical corner.
You see, Rich, we are in 2025. 2025. Has Alpha coach Only coach na yejuma 2 seasons. Coach, Entiminje 1 trophy in Puma has. And we are here discussing, say, in the contract of that coach, the fact that only trophy Emma has any basis for us to pay minimum compensation if we decided to be a coach. Can you imagine?
Can we say in clubs? Let me say, I don't know, say, almost sign contract, almost fast our performance winning sign.
But Rich, we are talking about Tugbe. Tugbe is one of the best brains in Ghana.
But business.
One of the best brains. Not just business, one of the best brains in Ghana. He's one of the most successful business executives in Africa.
1140. Na yemfani kotokon komono. Na me pese yema has bear 5. Has supported bear 5.